Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by defining one clear goal: save $X, pay off Y, or track monthly cash flow. Once done, create a new Google Sheet and set the locale so currency formats behave predictably. Then import recent transactions via CSV or copy-paste. Make sure columns for date, description, amount, and balance exist. Now add a simple header row and freeze it so you don't lose context as you scroll. This gives you an organized canvas to build automated tracking. Next, you'll categorize and automate so entries become meaningful. Start by making a categories tab with consistent labels: essentials, transportation, subscriptions, savings. Then build a mapping table and apply VLOOKUP or index/match to assign categories from keywords. Once set, new rows auto-categorize. Create helper columns for month and type with formulas like text, date, YIMM, and a sign-based credit/debit indicator. Finally, insert a running total using SUM over the amount column to finish, generate insights that inform decisions. You should create a pivot table or use query to summarize monthly spend and category percentages. Once done, add charts, cumulative balance line, and category pie to visualize trends. Make a simple budget vs actual sheet using SUMIF to compare planned amounts. For maintenance, enable version history and export monthly CSV backups. If numbers look off, check date and number formatting first. Mismatch types are the most common cause.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.